have downpours of this magnitude, we get flooding in this area. Usually it's 2 to 3 feet, which we still get vehicles that try to go through it. However, we had one vehicle stuck, but that individual had assistance getting his vehicle removed prior to us getting on scene, and we just sat here to do traffic to avoid any other vehicles going through.